Right. Everyone, yesterday we have to discuss the different points of the periodic functions. It part is completed, periodic function. So now we are going to discuss the one more point that is a very simple point, even function and odd function. This will be completed means immediately we will start today only kinds of the types of the function. This is the our exercise problems will be depending upon the types of the functions. Okay, na? Types of the function. So types of the function you should be. Okay, na? Everyone should be remember even and odd functions. First, what is the even function? Everyone put the heading is the even and odd functions. Even and odd functions and odd functions. Even and odd functions. What is the even function? What is the odd function? We can see. So even function and odd function mean f of x be the given function. So f of x. So f of x be the, let f of x be the given function. So given function. So x is replaced with minus x. X is replaced with minus x. But we get the positive value, total value of f of x is the positive, then it is called as a even function. X is replaced, x is replaced by minus x, replaced by minus x, x is replaced by minus x, then f of minus x is equal to total f of x value is the positive. Whole value of f of x is the positive. F of x is a even function. Now it is clear. F of x is a even. X is replaced by minus x, but we get the total function is a positive function. Then we say that it is a even function. This is the definition of even function. So this is the even function. Okay, everyone clear? So even function mean x is replaced with minus x, but we get the f of x, total value of f of x is a positive. Then we say that it is a even function. X is replaced with minus x, x is replaced with minus x, the f of x total value is negative, total value is negative, then this part of the function is called as a odd function. So this is called as a odd function. Now it is clear. Even function and odd function is total value is a positive. Then we say that it is a even function even though x is replaced by minus x. X is replaced by minus x and but we are getting the whole value is a positive, total value is a positive, then we say that it is a even function. So x is replaced by minus x, the total value of f of x is a negative, then we say that it is a odd function. Then we say that it is a odd function. Is it clear? So even and odd. Next, what is the results in the even and odd function is? Now I am going to take odd function is a negative symbol, odd function is a negative symbol, and even function is a positive symbol. Even function is a, I will take as a positive symbol. So because of even function is the total value is a positive, odd function total value whole f of x value is multiplied by minus. So minus is the common of whole f of x. That means total f of x is multiplied by minus. Therefore, it is a negative function. So odd function is a negative and the even function is a positive. Then first result is odd into even is, odd into even is, odd is a negative, even is a positive, total will become as a negative, mean it is the odd function. Odd into even is the odd function. Okay, now clear? Odd is the negative, even is the positive. Negative into positive will become as a negative. Therefore, it is a odd function. Second one is, so even into even into even, that is equal to positive into positive is a positive. Positive means even function. Therefore, odd into even is the odd function. Even into even is the even function. And third one is, I will write third one is, everyone observe third one is odd into odd, odd into odd. So odd into odd, that is equal to odd is a negative into negative, total will become as a positive, therefore it is a even function. So result one, odd into even is the even function. Even into even is the even function. Odd into odd is the even function. Even into odd is equal to even into odd, that is equal to positive into negative is equal to negative, that is equal to odd function. Easy for remembering the, for that purpose I will write the negative and positive. Easy for positive into negative is the negative, negative means odd function. Positive into positive is the positive means even function. Negative into negative is a positive means even. Odd into odd. Two odd functions multiplication will become as a even. Two even function multiplication is a even function. But one even, one odd multiplication always will become as a odd function. Okay, na? Every function. So next 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth result is, everyone observe, every function can be represent, every function can be represent as, can be represent as sum of the even and odd function. Sum of the even and odd function. Even and odd function. Sum of the even and odd function. So every function can be represented as a sum of the even and odd function. That is the fifth rule. Now see, f even f of x is equal to even function is the sum of f of x. Even function is the, already we know that f of minus x is equal to f of x. Okay, na? Sum of the even and odd function. Now we can see, I will write every function, we will write f of x plus f of minus x by 2, f of x plus f of minus x by 2 plus f of x minus f of minus x by 2. Now add these two, we get the f of x only. Now add these two. Now we can add these two. So we get the f of x only. See, this is the even function. This is the always even function. This is the always even function. This is the always odd function. This is the always odd function. So sum of the even and the odd function. F of x, my f of minus x is the f of x. Okay, na? F of x plus f of x by 2 is the f of x only. So here is f of x minus f of minus x is the minus f of x in odd. Minus minus is the plus. F of x plus f of x is the, now it will become as a f of x plus f of x by 2 is the f of x only. Okay, na? So every sum of the 5 points not getting. Once again, we can see a mark. So odd function is a negative function. Okay, na? Even function is a positive function. Okay, na? Whole value is a positive, total value is a positive for even, and total value is the negative for even. Okay, na? Odd is the negative function, total value is the negative, even. So negative into positive, what is the value? Ma? Negative into positive is the negative means odd. Okay, now already you know the negative is the odd function, positive is the even. Odd into even is the odd function. Negative into positive is the negative only. Negative is the odd function. Positive into positive. Positive into positive is the positive. Even into even is the even function. Even into even is the even function. See, negative is the odd function. Into even function is the minus into plus is the minus. Minus is the odd function. What is the represented by my odd function is the minus. Even function is represented by plus. Therefore, negative into positive is the negative. Already you know that. Therefore, negative is the odd function. Odd into even is equal to odd function. Even into even is equal to even function. Now it is clear. Right. F of x. Once again, you can see. Right. See. By the odd function definition, what is the definition of the odd function? Minus f of x. F of minus x is equal to what is the value? Is the minus f of x. Minus minus will become as a plus f of x. F of x plus f of x is the 2 f of x. 2 will be cancelled. It will become as a f of x. So f in odd function, f of minus x is the minus of f of x. Is it clear? Clear na? Aditi, clear na? Right. These are the points about the odd function. Now I will complete this some problems. After then I go through the types of the function. This is the most important for the types of the function. Now the real topic will be start. These all are the objective concepts for CET and GE and everything. So objective concept is the completed periodic function. Objective concept of the even and odd function is going to complete. Okay, na? So next, we real PU topic, we are going to start by the types of the function. Next, everyone see one problem I should write. First, you can write, everyone see. Problem number 1. Find the nature of, find the nature of, so find the nature of f of x is equal to, f of x is equal to log of, f of x is equal to log of x plus root over 1 plus x square. First option is even function. Second option is odd function. Third option is both function, both even and odd. And fourth one is neither even nor odd. So it is at a even, it is not a odd function. Okay, na? Neutral function. So these are the given 4 options. First, I will check, everyone observe. So now, everyone see the hint of the objective question is, everyone, f of x is equal to, f of x is equal to, f of x is equal to logarithm of, there is no base, means base is the e. So x plus root over 1 plus x square. Okay, na? Right. So x is replaced by minus x. Total value is a negative, is a odd function. Total value is a positive, is a even function. Okay, na? So now it is clear. X is replaced with minus x. X replaced by minus x. X replaced by minus x. Okay, na? X place, write down the minus x immediately. F of minus x is equal to log of x place, write down minus x plus root over 1 plus x place is write down minus x square. X place, write down minus x square. Is it clear? F of minus x is equal to log of minus x plus root over minus x square is the plus x square, minus x square is the plus x square, minus x square is the plus x square. Is it clear, everyone? Next step, everyone observe. I am going to write the next step. Everyone observe. Here is, I am going to write. Right. See the everyone. So f of minus x is equal to log of. So first I will write positive value. Next I will write negative value. Okay, na? Positive value is the root over 1 plus x square minus x. Okay, na? Apply the rationalizing. Apply the rationalizing for this one. Immediately apply the rationalizing. So I am going to apply the rationalizing term this one, root over 1 plus x square plus x by denominator is the root over 1 plus x square plus x. I will apply the rationalizing. So immediately what we are getting the observe. So f of minus x is equal to f of minus x is equal to, by the rationalizing, a minus b, a plus b, we have a square minus b square. A square minus b square. Okay, na? A square minus b square. A square minus b square. Is it clear? So a square, what is the a square value is? We can observe a square value is a 1 plus x square minus b square value is the x square. A square root will be cancelled. B square I will write denominator is a root x plus root log of x plus log of log of x plus root over 1 plus x square. This is the f of minus x value. Here x square should be cancelled. X square is cancelled. 1 by term. So log of 1 by x plus root over 1 plus x square. This can be written as total function is a reciprocal function. This can be written as, everyone observe, minus x is equal to log of reciprocal function. Power will become as a negative. Power will become as a negative. In logarithm, any power is there, that power should be come before. Therefore, minus 1 come before. Minus 1 into log of x plus root over 1 plus x square. So this value is the f of x given value. This value is the f of x value. Therefore, f of minus x is equal to minus of f of x. Therefore, f of x given f of x is the odd function. Negative is came. Negative is came means it will become as a odd function. Therefore, odd function take the answer. So f of x is an odd function. Okay, na? So I will do every step, but we can be minimize these steps. But I write the each and every step only. But you should be minimized immediately. We get the very less steps only. Only 2-3 steps we can get. But each and every step I will write here. Understand this point is everyone? Right. Right. Next problem I will write. Everyone see. What is the second point is? Second problem. Everyone observe the second problem is check whether the function is a even or odd. I will write first problem is f of x is equal to x into problem number 2. I will write x into a power of x minus 1 by a power of x plus 1 bracket close. This is the one problem. And one more problem also will do. Okay. We can check second BT question number 3. We can do at homework. F of x is equal to x square into sine of x. And fourth problem you can do as a homework. That is the f of x is equal to root over 1 plus x square. F of x, fourth problem we can see. Question number 4, fourth problem homework is. So f of x is equal to root over 1 plus x square minus root over 1 minus x plus x square. 1 minus x plus x square. First, I will do the second problem. You should work out the third and fourth problems as a homework. Okay, na? Immediately, one more theory problem is there. That will be, I will explain. Two theory problems is there. I will explain the theory problems. So after that, I go through the types of the functions. Okay, na? Right. So board is not. Now see, Amma, board is Aishwarya, now see. Okay, na, Aishwarya? Right. I will do the second problem. CMI, everyone. Hint of the second problem. X replace minus x. So that is a minus x, a power of minus x minus 1 by a power of minus x plus 1. A power of minus x. Immediately write down f of minus x minus x. Is it clear? Reciprocal write down 1 by a power of x plus 1 by reciprocal 1 by a power of x plus 1, 1 by a power of x minus 1, 1 by a power of x plus 1. Take LCM, everyone. So minus x by the LCM 1 minus a power of x by a power of x, 1 minus a power of x by a power of x. Here also take LCM 1 plus a power of x by a power of x. Both LCM should be cancelled. Okay, na? Minus of x into take here minus is common, a power of x minus 1 by a power of x plus 1. Okay, na? Minus is common in this one, this minus into this minus is plus, this minus into minus is a plus. F of minus x is equal to x into a power of x minus 1 by a power of x plus 1. Same f of x we get. So this is the same f of x, positive f of x we get. Therefore, it is a even function. Is it clear? Fourth question is root over 1 plus x square plus x plus x square minus 1 minus x plus x square. 1 minus x plus x square. Okay, na? So do these two problems, everyone. So any not getting means you can ask me. So I will do once again. Okay, na? So next I go through the theoretical problems. Everyone observe. I go through the theoretical problem. Right. See the everyone. Theoretical problem is. Fourth question is clear now by everyone. Fourth question is f of x is equal to root over 1 plus x square minus root over 1 minus x plus x square. That is the fourth question. Is a homework. Third question also homework. Okay, na? Right, I go through the theoretical problems. Everyone observe what is the theoretical problems is. Right, everyone write down. Question number 5. This is the theoretical problem. If G map -2 to 2 go to R, where g of x is equal to where g of x is equal to where g of x is equal to x cube plus tan x plus greatest integer of x square plus 1 by p, greatest integer of x square plus 1 by p, be a odd function, be a odd function, be a odd function. This total is a be an odd function. Total is a odd function, odd function, odd function. Then the value of p, then the value of p, then the value of p. First option is given by -5 less than p less than 5. Second option is given by p less than 5. Third option is given by p greater than 5, p greater than 5. Fourth option is given by, fourth option is given by, so what is the fourth option is given by? So P lies between -2 less than P less than 3. This is the given options. So this is the theoretical problem. So now I will write, so G of, first write down G of X. This is the odd function, X cube plus tan X plus x square plus 1 by p. Now they want the p function. So this is g of x is a odd function is tell. So every observe x cube is a odd function because of g of minus x is equal to minus of x cube minus x cube means negative only will come, negative of x cube means it is a negative function, therefore a odd function. Tan of minus x g of minus x is equal to tan of minus x in tan minus x. So this is the minus x means fourth quadrant, downside angle is going downside. So the downside means fourth quadrant cos only positive, tan is negative, therefore it is a odd function. Okay, na? It is a odd function. X cube is a odd function and tan x is the odd function. Therefore, it is a odd, total both are odd functions. G of x is the odd function is given. That means this is not necessary. These two are odd. Automatically g of x will become as a odd function only. Okay, na? These two, this is the both are odd function. So automatically g of x is the odd function. This is the not necessary for me because of two are odd function. Total g of x is the odd function will become. Okay, now point is understanding. X cube is the odd function, tan x is the odd function, means this is deleted mean, this can be deleted mean automatically this g of x will become as a odd function. How can you delete this one? How can you delete this one? Okay, now here x values are given. X value, this is the first one is the A set is the domain and B set is the codomain. A set is the domain and B set is the codomain. A set values are the x values. Therefore, B set values are the y values. So here, x values are lies between X values are lies between -2 to +2, including closed bracket, squaring on both sides. So 4 less than or equal to x square less than or equal to 4. Both sides mean this is not necessary. This is not necessary. We should take this one only. So therefore, x square plus 1 is less than or equal to 4 plus 1 is the 5. Here x square plus 1. Okay, now this value is 5. Above 5, you should be observed. Above 5, 0 point something will become. So p value you can take, so 5, p value 6 we can take, divide. So 0 point something in step function, 0 point something will become as a 0. Automatically this is the deleted. So p value is the above 5. P value is the above 5, not equal to 5. Equal to 5 means its value will become as a 1. 1 is a not decided. Odd or even are not possible. Therefore, above 5, automatically this will become as a 0, deleted. These two are indicating odd function. Automatically g of x is a odd function. This is deleting method is p value is greater than 5, I will take. P value is a greater than 5, then automatically step of x square plus 1 by p value will become as a 0. Automatically it is the deleted. Therefore, p value is the greater than 5. Therefore, third option is the correct one. Okay, now clear everyone? Right. Next theory problem I will write. If f of theory problem number 6, if f map -22 plus 20 to R defined by f of x is equal to, defined by where f of x is equal to, what is the given is step function of x square plus by a into sine x plus cos x is a even function. Be an even function. Be an even function. Right. Be an even function. Then the value of a is, required. Then the value of a is required. What are the options is given? See, first option and second option and third options I will write. Fourth option, first option, second option you can see. The tomorrow class don't miss. Tomorrow is the types of the functions I am going to. Everyone should be joined in the tomorrow class. Okay, na? So most important. First one is the empty set. Second one is the real set. Third one is the 0 to 400. And fourth one is the 400 to infinity. 400 to infinity. This is the given problem. Right, see. Here is even function is telling. Cos of, everyone see, f of x is equal to cos x. My x replaced with minus, cos of minus x. Fourth quadrant cos is positive. Therefore, it is a even function. Cos x is the even function. Remaining, I am make it as a 0. So hint of the problem is f of x is equal to step of